Hi everyone. Okay, today we are going to discuss about exceptional handling in Java. Fine. So before I write the code to make you understand how to handle this, so what is exception actually? Fine. So exception is basically an error which comes when the program starts running, and exceptional handling is a mechanism to handle that error. Okay, for example, suppose we have written a program where we have some statement. Let us say we are having five statement. Fine. And if everything goes proper, then there is no problem as such. Okay, the program will run properly and will get the output. But suppose when the program is being run and something happens to this statement, then rest of the statement okay will not execute. Okay, again I'll repeat. Okay, suppose statement 1 will run, statement 2 will run, then statement 3 is having some problem, then statement 4 and statement 5 will not run. Okay, it means abnormally your program is being stopped. That is not a good sign as far as a good programming is concerned. Now we have something known as exceptional handling. So by using exception handling, we can display the respective message to the end user. Plus, okay, the flow of the program, okay, will not hamper. So first, what I'll do, I will write a simple program. Okay, then I come back to here and explain you what are the different exception we can have in Java and all these things. Fine. So right now I'm jumping to my Eclipse ID. Okay, this is my Eclipse ID. What I'll do here, okay, I declare some variable. Okay, let us say integer a is this, b is 2, and c equal to 0. So I have three variables a, b, c. Okay, I have some random values in variables. Okay, now what I'll do, okay, I say c equal to a upon b. Fine. So and then I say sys out. Okay, I'll try to print c. Okay, c. So now let's see what will happen. Okay, I'm trying to run the program. 5 is coming, no problem. But suppose, okay, this happens. Can you see what is happening? Okay, now suppose, please observe this, then you can understand proper way. Okay, I'll just print some message over here. Hi, and after this I print this, and print this. Okay, just observe it. Now I make it to, okay, and I'll try to run. Fine. So nothing is happening because everything is proper and then it is running. Now let us say I'll make it 0. Fine. At the runtime, now see what is happening. Fine. See the program run this line, but when it comes here, okay, an error has come. So this message is being displayed by Java and the rest of the programs are not being executed. Okay, from here onward. So that is not a good practice actually. Fine. So then comes your concept of exceptional handling as far as Java is concerned. Now what we'll do, okay, what we'll do. So what is the structure actually to handle exception? So I'll just write down here. We have try block, okay, and then we have catch block, okay, which take an exception class object, okay, and then we have finally, okay, and now see this how this will run. Normal code we should write down in the try block, and if any error occurs, or I mean to say if any exception occurs, we'll be writing the code here. And finally, we write to run everything whether error comes or not. Okay, so what I'm going to do right now, I'll write down a simple program to make you understand. I'll just remove this. Okay, and I say try. Okay, and I put this bracket and put this bracket over here. Okay, so these two statements are inside my try block. Now I say catch, fine, and now I say exception. Okay, 1 second. Okay, and then this block is this, and right now I'll come here and I say find sys out m dot get message. Fine this, and then I say here finally. Okay, this out. Okay, now see this here. Fine. 2, and now I try to run this. So 5 and always runs. So what have you noticed? Okay, it goes here, do the processing and print it, and then it comes to this and running it. Fine. Now what happens? Okay, we'll try to have 2 here. Okay, now just please observe what is happening. Okay, see, divide by 0. So now, see what is happening right now. When Java comes to this, okay, it finds there is a problem with this, then it jumps to this, and this message is being displayed by Java. Okay, you can see divide by 0. We have not written this message anywhere. This is coming from this, and it is an object of exception class. Then it is coming finally and displaying this. So this is a normal flow. This is a normal flow when you are handling exception. So first it will run the try block. If everything goes fine, then it comes to finally. And if some problem occurs in try, then it goes to catch, and whatever you have written here, that will be displayed. Okay, then again it comes to the finally. So finally always runs it, okay, whether some problem occurs or not. All right. So basically in practical life, finally is used for, okay, using cleanup operation. Okay, now I'll just write down here. Okay, now as far as Java is concerned, there are two type of exception mainly. One is checked exception. Okay, checked exception. Okay, and another is unchecked exception. I hope that is being clear to you. Now, what is checked exception? Okay, this type of exception are handled during compile time, and this is okay. This type of exception are handled when program starts running. Okay, now in this example, what I'm doing here, we are coming to the error whenever the program starts running. So this is a simple example of unchecked exception. Okay, we'll go into deep of it. Okay, that's all for today. It is just an introduction of Java exception. Okay, we'll be meeting soon in the next session, and we'll try to explore more and more about this. Thank you for watching it.